So today's video is an ode to my beloved 50mm. It's a little banged up, but I promise you it still works fine, so please don't judge it by its cover. This is the Sigma f1.4 lens. I've shot portraits, street, cars. This lens was pretty much always in my backpack, but for some reason it still ended up on my shelf. And I think it's because the past 2 YouTube videos I was pretty much only using longer lenses, like the 24-105 or the 70-100. And to be honest, it does make sense. We were shooting motorsports, Formula 1, mountain biking, so I really needed some versatile zoom lenses. But today we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna bring this baby back out. We're going to use it during a portrait photo shoot here in Melbourne. And by the way, I am using my R5 Mark II. Let's get going. We just made it to the first location. This is one of those locations. It usually looks like I am kidnapping the model, but I promise you that's not what I'm doing.
What is it?
A flash. Really quirky, right? So I got sent a gadget. A very small gadget. Yep, this is a flash. Flash. I'm still working on my pronunciation. It's flash, not flash. So just to compare, this is a, I would say, normal on-camera flash, and this is the vintage Z2C flash from Viltrox. And look at the size difference. It is so finicky, it literally almost fell out of my hand. I should have recorded this before my coffees. Like, I'm really trying to hold it steady. So why do I want to use a flash during daytime? We picked a very gloomy day for this photo shoot, and when it's white skies, bright light, you get a lot of shadows underneath the eyes, mouth, nose, like shadows that I feel like don't really add anything to the photos. So by using a flash, we can eliminate those shadows in the face because we're literally just flashing them away. So I feel like this little flash right here is a great step up, for me at least, to understand the basics of using a flash and how it affects my settings. I think this is one of the most affordable flashes out there at the moment, and they've also given me a discount code to share with you, so definitely make sure to check out the description box to get your hands on one of those. Are these poisonous, you said?
Yeah, but like, don't touch them and touch them out. But other than that,
okay. Welcome to Australia. Let's give this a go. So you can flip it up just like that, and we've got a little diffuser on the top as well.
what does the diffuser do?
It makes the light a bit softer. Could you step a little bit forward? Think even, what if we put the jacket up? You know when the color is like sort of, yeah, like around your face? With Scarlett, and we actually met each other at a casting for modeling work. We just got into the city. I don't really know if it's gonna be a pretty sunset, to be honest. We only have 1 hour of daylight left, so see how we go.
Race against the clock.
Race against the clock. Let's do it. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm using my R6 Mark III and my 24-105 for the B-roll you're seeing in this video. We are good to go. I think even like sort of hanging on the pole. Sick. So by bringing up the ISO, I'm also brightening up the area around Scarlett and then bringing down the flash. So now it just actually looks very natural instead of a darker background. Looking away, yes, ooh! Charlotte and I, we just had a pretty awesome idea because I've got 20 bucks in my back pocket and we want to pay a cab driver to see how long we can use his taxi for some photos. The money is there, we just need to find a taxi. I really hope they want to shoot with us.
Okay, thank you.
He's sleeping. Oh shit, he's awake. I'm doing a photo shoot with my friend. Can I pay you $20 and then I use your cab for like 5 minutes? Yeah? Sick. We can do it. We can do it. 20 bucks. Okay. Let's do this. We love yellow cab. It's just like New York vibe. Yeah, have you ever had like a photo shoot done with your cab? No? Yay. Okay, first time. If you could like sort of lean against the car. Looking into the camera with your eyes. Yes. Ooh, this is it. Fully hijacking his cab. Yeah, looking outside. Yeah, that's it. It's beautiful. It's more so because the light then hits your face. What if you like stand on the other side and you're leaning against that fence and I'm shooting through the cab? Thank you. We got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day. Through the glass.
Oh yeah, I love
Like one of those. Like this. Oh. It looks so sick. Yeah, I think like even just dead straight into the camera. Yeah. Yeah, that was it. I loved it. Yeah, taking photos. I'm Dutch.
Holland, very nice.
Holland. Yeah, it's nice, right? See you. Have a good day. He's like, are you German? No. Hi, it's me again. So, whilst I was looking at these photos, I felt like some of them were telling a story. I think it was just the way she was looking out of the window, her expressions. So, I decided to add some film subtitles with this font to make it look legit. And this way, I hope at least, it looks like scenes from a movie. I have done this in the past as well, but yeah, I thought I'd do it for these photos too. So that's something you'll see sprinkled throughout this YouTube video. I'm actually using my phone as lighting. We found a garage that is so awesome. You can actually look over Chinatown. So of course we have to take some photos here. Yeah, facing me slightly. Just like sort of, yeah. And then looking out. Yes. That's it. Beautiful. And just with your eyes towards the camera. Yes, beautiful. Now we can get one blurry one. Honestly, I actually got it. Nice work. Nice work. So for all of these photos, I used a preset called Stills and like a movie from my preset pack. These were just the perfect fit for these photos, but alongside these two presets, you can also find 43 other presets in my mega pack. Now this pack also comes with a bunch of walkthrough tutorials, editing tutorials, my raw files for you to play around with. If you want to check it out, then make sure to download my pack in the description. And of course, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye! Doei!